So I didn't trade for the whole pretty much last week just because I was on low vacation. All right. Anyways, so today we have 4 hour uptrend, uptrend, 1 hour downtrend. So weird little setup today. I'm not really. This is gonna be our target. Uh, see what news we got for today. Okay. I guess just wait for a break here and wait for a 15-minute pullback is all I can think about right now. So we'll just wait for that. So this thing really is just shooting up. Still hoping there's some sort of pullback. It's just shooting straight up. I don't know. I guess it's gonna be no trade for me if it just keeps doing this, but hopefully it touches this area right here, pulls back a little bit, and then we shoot up like crazy. I think we're gonna make all-time highs. We are. Wow. All right, so yeah, but so far this is just it's just aggressive. This. All right, so the pullback we got in the 15-minute was really weak, or not weak. It was really small, short. I kind of want to do a 5 minute buy above this resistance right here, this 15-minute resistance. Problem is, all time highs are right here, so don't know how. If I do get in, I want to do something like this. However it ends up, I don't want to. I've never really tried this entry before though, so I don't know if I want to take it just yet, or if I don't know if I want to take this trade, but we can do a demo trade and just see how it work out. So I'll probably do that. All right, so I took a little demo trade here. I put my stop below the previous higher low on the 5 minute. Targeting, I have no target since the all time high, so I'm just gonna do a 1 and 2. We're gonna see how this trade would have done. I've never done a setup before, so we shall see. All right, so we pushed up for a little bit. I think that might have just been a 1 and 1. Yeah. So I think it just did not want to push the all time highs. Mm, I think we're gonna do a 1 hour pullback here. So I'm gonna wait for that. Hopefully later today we can get that. Enter on the 1 hour pullback and push up. All right. So I took another little trade here. 15 didn't break the 15-minute low, so I got in for a 15-minute, 5 minute break. A structure right here cannot break all time highs still, so that's that. Another little demo trade, so nothing did not get affected money wise, but I mean this would have just been another break even. But it's almost 9, it's almost done trading, but I do think this is gonna be still a 1 hour retracement. If I wanted to, I could buy a 5 minute break structure to the downside and target something like this. But I forgot to finish this video, but uh that was all the trades for today. Only thing I see here I could have done is did not break 15-minute right here. Could have bought in here. Stop would have been here though, and target would have been up here. So not really a point of doing that one. This one though, this one made a higher low right here. So buy here, stop below there, and target all the way up here on this 1 hour, just for the 4 hour retracement. One thing I noticed though is this right here didn't break it; it just wicked it, right? the what, like for example, in the 1 hour, it just wicked it, but it still created a lower low, or I guess it has still has a higher chance of creating the opposite direction, which is one thing I'm noticing on these. Like for example, this 15 minute did not shoot, this 15 minute did not break lower, but it went below and it created a lower low. So I think the probability of when it wicks when it doesn't break but it wicks, the probability is still lower that it will go down. For example, here it went down, here created a higher low though, and then shot up. So I think this type of entry will be a lot better than this one. It's a higher probability. So we'll add that to the notes for